It smells like chocolate. Like, it really smells like chocolate. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Jeffy Unboxing. Today we are going to be unboxing this Target beauty box. The theme of this box is lip stuff. This particular box did not come with a sheet that showed the price of each individual items, but I looked it up so we could get a general total, and the value of this box ended up being about $45, and the cost of this box is about $7, so I would say it's definitely worth it, and that $7 includes free shipping, so definitely worth it. The only downside to this box really that I noticed is it's all like drugstore brand products, and they seem to be good drugstore brands, but if you're into higher end lip products, maybe this box is not for you. So the first thing we have in our box is this moisturizing lip mask by Burts Burts. I'm a huge Burts Burts fan, so this will definitely get some use. It says instantly hydrates and defines lips, 100% natural, so this is a great product. To continue on with the Burts Burts theme, the next item that we have is the Burts Burts Lip Shimmer in the color Peony. And it just looks like a little stick. And this is more of like a gloss with color in it. I have had these before. They're really great. They have like a little bit of a menthol-y scent to them. Yeah, it definitely adds a little bit of a shimmer. It doesn't really add much color, which is good or bad depending on what you like. I do like the smell. Very menthol-y and just very fresh. Is that a weird thing to say? It does feel and smell fresh. The next thing in our box is this Peppermint Organic Lip Balm by Dr. Bronner's. This one I do not feel the need to try on because it is just a lip gloss, and I will probably end up gifting this to somebody. It does say that it's peppermint scent, so I hate peppermint, but if you like peppermint, this could be great for you. The next product in our box is a little weird. It is a cooling gel lip mask, and it's cute, but like it says to cool mask, place in refrigerator for 1 hour or in the freezer for 30 minutes. Place mask on lips for 5 to 10 minutes. I just personally can't understand why you would need to cool your lips. Like, it just doesn't make much sense to me, but it is a cute product, so I don't know, maybe this will end up in the gift pile as well. The next product is this Milani lipstick. I actually really like the color. Because it's a cheaper lipstick, I'm a little worried about the wear. I hate when lipstick gets on my teeth. I took the lip gloss off so we can give this a fair try. Ooh, okay, it's going on smooth. I didn't love how this one went on. It did go on smooth. It just got to the edges really funky. I don't know, maybe that's my own fault, but yeah, this one's a pass for me. I don't know how to describe it to you guys because it did go on smooth. It just didn't really like, it just looks so wonky around the edges, and I feel like I don't normally get that when I put lipsticks on. Looks a little better in the camera, but I'm not in love. The next item, St.Ives Lip Scrub Passion Fruit Scent. Okay, the scent is pretty light, but it's nice. This one will definitely get some use. The last thing in our box is this Sexy Mother Pucker Lipstick. And I do like the color. It's by Soap and Glory. It smells like chocolate. Like, it really smells like chocolate. The Sexy Mother Pucker definitely went on more like a gloss. This chocolatey scent, I can't decide if I hate it or I love it. I feel like it would get annoying after a little bit, but at first it's not too bad. Well, you know, at the beginning of this video, I said that I thought it was a great value, $7 for about $45 worth of products. But honestly, after trying on most lipsticks and not really liking most of them, the Burts Burts products are great and the St.Ives lip scrub is great, but the lipsticks and the lip glosses just didn't do it for me. So, I don't know, if you're into trying new stuff, I would suggest this box, but I wouldn't if you are into higher end brands and just probably won't like half of things, because why waste that many makeup products? Well, thank you guys for watching this review. I hope I will see you again. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. Bye.